Hey guys, this is me Hassan and welcome to Hassan Academy. In this channel we discuss about pharma topics and basically for GPAT and NIPER JEE competitive exam. So GPAT 22 is coming. For that we have decided a plan like target GPAT 22. What it means basically till upcoming GPAT we will cover all the important topics in this channel. So you should subscribe this channel and keep your notification on so that you can get whenever I release any video. So what is our topic today? So we were discussing regarding aromaticity and all. We already I already upload 3 video regarding aromaticity. You can go to my channel or I will keep in description so that you can see that. But today topic is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. What it means in science or in mostly in chemistry, whenever you see any name or any topic like heading of the topic, so from that name itself you can get lot of idea what is going to be happen. Sometimes it this logic not going to work, like sometimes they are giving basically their scientist name or anything, so in that time you can't get any idea from the name, but here we can get definitely some idea like electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So first of all what we can get from here, electrophilic substitution reaction, that means electrophile going to be produced in this reaction and substitution reaction going to be happen. What is substitution reaction? Basically one group is substituted by other group, and since it is written aromatic, that means one of our reactant will be aromatic in nature. So we are going to take aromatic for benzene as an example of aromatic compound. So this is benzene and I want to show here one hydrogen. Actually in every places there is one hydrogen, C6H6, but I am showing only one hydrogen because this hydrogen going to be replaced with our electrophile. So suppose we take some reagent and same time catalyst also we need to take like AlCl3 or H2SO4, and for among this one electrophile will produce. We can write it as E plus, okay, and this is benzene and E plus, and some catalyst is there, suppose AlCl3. I'm just writing here AlCl3. So this electrophile, what are the step and what is going to be happen? This hydrogen will replace by this E plus or electrophile. So at the end you can see this type of product. Here is E means electrophile. Whatever electrophile will produce, that will come here, okay, and this hydrogen from here it will release as H plus, I mean proton, and it will attach with from wherever E plus is produced. If E plus is produced, then one negative portion also produced. This H plus will attach with that negative portion and it will produce something here that will call byproduct. So what are the step going to be happen here for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction? So I am showing you the step. Actually when I will explain the mechanism and all this thing, I will draw all the steps very nicely so that you can understand. And this reaction and all this thing, this mechanism, these are required basically for your semester exam, but you should know all the mechanism so that you can answer for your GPAT. If you don't know the mechanism or how it going to be happen, then it is very difficult for you to find out the correct answer, because in GPAT they are asking question with proper logic. So you should know the things that what is the way that they are getting their end product. So first step, basically most of the people I have seen that they are saying about 2 step, and in some book also they are writing that there is only 2 step, but I want to write 3 step. First step is formation of electrophile. Formation of, I just write here E plus, electrophile. So if electrophile is not produced, then how electrophile will react? So first step is formation of electrophile. Electrophile must produce, then only reaction going to be happen. So second step is electrophile react with pi bond. So whatever electrophile produce here na, this electrophile will come and react with this pi bond or any pi bond. I am showing this pi bond because I am level this hydrogen, so this pi bond will react with, or I mean they will make bond with this electrophile, and later on this H plus will reduce, H plus will release from here. So in my next video I will explain this thing very nicely, but today I am just giving some idea about electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So second step is electrophile react with pi bond, or make just they are making their bond only. And third is deprotonation, or removal of proton. So these are the three steps that basically happen in all the electrophilic aromatic substitution. No matter whatever the reaction, they are going to form in this within this three step only. In first step, electrophile going to be happen, means produce. Then in second step, that electrophile will make bond with pi bond, so that carbocation will produce, and later on that H plus proton will remove, and that this bond will come to back to this position, so that they can gain their aromaticity again. Then let's see what are the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. How many reaction is there? There are only 5 reaction: halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Kauf alkylation, and Friedel-Kauf acylation. What about halogenation? So from name itself you have to guess that definitely some halogen going to be add here or substitute here. So halogen, what are the halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And iodine showing very less reaction since it is not that much reactive. So mostly fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And their reactivity is fluorine is most reactive, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. So this type of question generally asking that if these are the three halogen is there, then which will show most fast reaction or whatever. So you should know the reactivity of this element. Then at the end you will get some this type of compound. Suppose here I am showing chlorine. And nitration you are going to get a product where NO2 going to substitute with benzene hydrogen. So you will see this type of product, NO2 here. Then sulfonation. In sulfonation there is confusion between SO3 and SO3H, but at the end you will get SO3H in your product, that is benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. Friedel-Kauf alkylation and Friedel-Kauf acylation. These are two almost same kind of reaction, but let's see what going to be happen. This is alkylation, so definitely alkyl group going to add with that benzene. So you will see at the end, I am just writing here R. R means any alkyl group. Okay. What about acyl group? So you should know this thing first of all. Alkyl group. Alkyl group means R. So it can be methyl, it can be like C2H5 ethyl or anything like that. Wherever there are a lot of alkyl group, anything can be react with that. Then what about acyl? Acyl group is R C11O. So if with alkyl carbonyl group is attached, that means this is called acyl group. So in that Friedel-Kauf acylation, you can see some this type of product. This product you are going to get. So please take a screenshot of this portion, and this portion also you can take a screenshot. So here I am going to show all the reaction whatever I have discussed till now. So first of all, halogenation. So in halogenation it can be fluorination or chlorination, bromination, anything. I have taken as a chlorination. So what is going to be happen in chlorination? Benzene will react with chlorine in the presence of FeCl3, and we will get the product chlorobenzene. Okay. So I am not showing here mechanism. I will show in my next video, where first of all from this Cl2, that means Cl like this, and one Cl will relieve with Cl minus, and another Cl will act as a Cl plus, and this Cl plus is our electrophile. So this is going to react with this pi bond, and later on this proton present here, it will remove. So this type of reaction going to be happen. I will show in my next video all the mechanism. So nitration. In nitration reaction, benzene will react with HNO3 nitric acid in the presence of H2SO4, and what we will get? Nitrobenzene. So you should remember the byproduct also, the water we are going to get here. Then sulfonation. In benzene, it will react with sulfur trioxide and in the presence of a concentrated H2SO4. So we are going to get the product as benzene sulfonic acid. This is the product, benzene sulfonic acid. And remember, I have not written here, but these all are concentrated H2SO4. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this reaction, we will get benzene. Benzene will react with, suppose, any we have to produce alkyl group. So suppose we have taken here CH3Cl chloromethane, and in the presence of AlCl3, at the end this methyl group will attach with the benzene. So this product is called toluene. Okay, so I want to show one more thing, that in this reaction one more thing going to be happen, that is the stabilization of carbocation. Basically, if you can imagine, suppose here I have taken like this CH3 CH2, yes, like this. Suppose I have taken in this way. So if it is chlorine, Cl minus is a good leaving group, so it will remove, and what we will get? We will get this product. But this is not 1 degree carbocation, but we should know that carbocation stability is 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. So one hydrogen will from here, one hydrogen will come here, and at the end we will get 2 degree carbocation. So this type of things you have to remember, because whenever Friedel-Crafts alkylation may ask, and if benzene going to react with this type of compound, then you may think that this whole portion is going to attach here, but you are wrong. If you do that, you will lose your mark. So here basically this type of product will produce. This is called cumene. So you have to be very much alert here, that whatever carbocation going to be produced, that will also stabilize themselves. If it is 2 degree, then if it is possible to make themselves 3 degree carbocation, then they will try to make it 3 degree. So you have to remember this, and this is very important. Most of the time they are asking question from here, and student made mistake, because they are just thinking that we will remove this chlorine group and rest of the portion going to attach here, but this is not so easy. And if any class 11 or 12 student watching this video, I must say that for them these things are in class 11, and for them these are not going to be asked so easily. They will make it definitely some complicated for your IIT JEE or any NEET exam. So you have to be very much aware here. And one more thing I want to say about Friedel-Crafts acylation. No matter this acyl group going to add with this benzene, but you have to remember one thing, that for this acyl group we can take this type of acetyl chloride or anything, so that we can remove this chloride group, and this portion basically from here we will get like this. This is electrophile, then Cl minus. So this is going to be add in this reaction. We will get acetophenone. Okay, but what about this acyl chloride? If acetyl chloride, if we take some other reactant also, we may get the same product. Like benzene we may take, and if we take here acidic anhydride, that means CH3 So from here also this portion will leave as a negative, and this is portion going to be act as a electrophile. So we will get the same product, AlCl3. You can take this screenshot, it is very important. Acetic anhydride. Most of the people getting confused because acidic anhydride, they have no idea that from here also acyl group may produce and it may react with your reactant. So this is very important. And in my next video definitely I am going to show all the mechanisms so that you can easily remember all these things. But even you don't know the mechanism, if you know all these things, that what is the end product we are going to get and how they are reacting basically, then you can do the answer definitely. You can take this screenshot. And I am recording this video now. I don't know when I am going to upload this video, and for next few days maybe every day you won't get video, but for like every next or 2 days, after 2 days you are going to get video, because for some reason I am going to shift some other city. So let's see what happens. Do subscribe my video and kindly share with your junior, and keep your notification on so that you can get video. And let me know if you want my video in Hindi only, so I will try to make video in Hindi only definitely. I have not much problem whether it is Hindi or English. I can somehow manage it. And even Hindi, I am from northeast region of India, and we don't speak here Hindi every day, but somehow I manage to make video in Hindi. Thanks for watching.